Hey everyone, Lauren back here. I wanted to make a quick video because I shared recently how SortioX has now merged with ViralView. So if you've been using ViralView, you already know all about it and its benefits. But if you've been using SortioX and you aren't yet familiar with ViralView, it is very similar, but I wanted to point out some things that ViralView has and actually some ways that it's even a little better than SortioX was, which is exciting because if you're not using tools or if you're just not tracking your progress, really your placements where your videos are, if we're talking about on-site commissions, right, then you're really missing opportunities, because if you're not looking at data, you're not looking at what videos of yours are getting attention, are getting sales. Maybe they're getting attention, but they're not getting sales, and really analyzing why, right? Then you're missing out on opportunities. Tools make it a little easier. You don't absolutely need tools. You don't need to get ViralView, and you don't need to utilize something like this, but they have a free version. So I suggest using at least that. But if you want to get one of the paid versions, I have the coupon code that you see on the screen here. But I'm going to share with you a couple different ways that I've been using ViralView. Again, they do have a free version, so if you want to utilize that, absolutely do that. I have a link here for you guys too. So let's go ahead. I want to show you, I'll share my screen and then I'm going to share some screenshots that I have from my actual dashboard. So one of the things, I guess I should say, that ViralView does, which is actually really, really great. This is, I believe, a feature only available to the professional versions, but what it has is this product finder page. So this is actually going to show you the best opportunity products that are on Amazon right now. They have millions of products in their database, and they give you the ones with the most opportunity, the most earning opportunity, the most opportunity for your videos getting placed on the carousels, both bottom and top. And you can filter these out by either monthly sales, you can filter them out by price, you can filter these out by what they've done in the past 30 days. Many different ways that you can do this, but this is actually a really great tool because I've said it many times in this group before, and I'll say it a million more. If you are just creating videos blindly, especially for on-site, but if you're just creating videos blindly on just any old product, it's a way to do it, and it's a way to potentially earn something, but the opportunity comes in really taking advantage of products that have the best possible outcome for you, because it's just a fact. There's going to be products, and this is not just on Amazon, this is just in the affiliate marketing world in general, but there's going to be products that are a better pick of your use of time and energy, right, to make a video on, because there's more earning potential with them. So this product finder tool literally lists them out right in front of you and for you, which is really great because you don't have to go around trying to figure out what that is without data behind it, because without that data, how would you even really know, right? So yeah, we can look at what's trending on social media. Yeah, we can look to see, how many people bought something. But as far as opportunity goes for an influencer and looking at data with the top carousels, with the revenue produced, with where are there openings in carousels with products, ViralView takes all of that into account when it's giving you this top product list on this product finder tool that it has here. And again, just makes it really easy for you. And this alone, like this product finder, makes it worth it to me to pay for this tool. You don't have to. You can absolutely use a free version. But there are some things that are only available like with the professional version as well. I think it's worth it, but that's just my opinion. You don't absolutely need it. But if you do want to get it, you can use my link here and use this welcome 10 for 10% off your subscription every single month. So if you want to, go ahead and get ViralView. Take care. I'll see you guys soon in the next training. And again, if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments for me. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.